Think about this moment. You wake up at home, you are in your room, you want to speak English, but you feel shy, you feel scared. You think, my English is small, my English is not good. This feeling is very common. Many people feel this way at home. Even at home, English feels hard. But today, we are here with you. We are going to help you, slowly, kindly, step by step.
Yes, you are not alone. Many beginners feel this fear. But home is the best place to learn English. Home is safe. Home is quiet. You can make mistakes at home. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help you learn. Today, we will use very simple English. We will talk like real people at home. Simple talk, daily talk. You can do this.
Welcome, my friend. Thank you for being here. This lesson is for you. If you are an absolute beginner, this lesson is for you. If you feel nervous, this lesson is for you. We promise something. At the end, you will feel better. You will feel more confident. You will say simple English at home, calmly, slowly.
Today's topic is simple English conversation at home. We will talk about home life, morning, food, family, small things, real life. We will repeat words many times. Please listen, then repeat. Speak with us. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to try.
Let us start very slowly. At home, we often say hello. We greet people. Greeting means saying hello. A very simple word is hi. Listen. Hi. Again. Hi. Very good. Another word is hello. Listen. Hello. Again. Hello.
At home, you can say hi or you can say hello. Both are good. Hi is short. Hello is a little longer. Not hard, very easy.
Now we add one more word. Hi, Mom. Listen. Hi, Mom. Again. Hi, Mom. Good. You can also say hello, Dad. Listen. Hello, Dad. Again. Hello, Dad.
You can change the name. Mom, Dad, sister, brother, grandma, grandpa. All are okay. For example, hi sister or hello brother. Simple.
Let us practice together. Repeat after me. Hi, Mom. Pause. Hello, Dad. Pause. Hi, sister. Pause. Very good. You are speaking English now.
At home, people also ask simple questions, very simple questions. One common question is, how are you? Listen, how are you? Again, how are you?
This question means, are you okay? Or how do you feel? At home, we ask this a lot. How are you?
The answer is also simple. I am fine. Listen, I am fine. Again, I am fine. You can also say, I am good. Listen, I am good. Again, I am good.
Let us practice. Repeat after me. How are you? Pause. I am fine. Pause. How are you? Pause. I am good. Pause. Very nice. Sometimes you are not fine. That is okay. You can say, I am tired. Listen, I am tired. Again, I am tired. Tired means you need rest. You feel sleepy.
You can also say, I am happy. Listen, I am happy. Again, I am happy. Happy means you feel good inside. You smile.
Let us do a small conversation. Listen first. Hi, Paul.
Hi, Emily. How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am good.
Very simple, very real. This is English at home.
Now you try. Repeat with us.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I am fine.
I am good.
Great job. You are doing well.
Now let's talk about morning at home. Morning is when you wake up, you open your eyes, you leave your bed.
In the morning, we say good morning. Listen, good morning. Again, good morning.
You can say, good morning, Mom, or good morning, Dad. simple and polite.
Let us practice. Repeat after me. Good morning. Pause. Good morning, Mom. Pause. Good morning, Dad. Pause.
In the morning, we also talk about sleep at home. Sleep is when you rest at night. A simple question is, did you sleep well? Listen, did you sleep well? Again, did you sleep well?
This question means, was your sleep good? At home, people ask this in the morning.
The answer can be, yes, I did. Listen, yes, I did. Again, yes, I did.
Or you can say, no, I did not. Listen, no, I did not. Again, no, I did not.
Let us practice together. Did you sleep well? Pause. Yes, I did. Pause. Did you sleep well? Pause. No, I did not. Pause.
Very good. Now, let us talk about food at home. Food is a big part of home life.
At home, we eat breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. A simple question is, do you want breakfast? Listen, do you want breakfast? Again, do you want breakfast?
This means, do you want to eat now? Very simple.
The answer can be yes, please. Listen, yes, please. Again, yes, please.
Or, no, thank you. Listen, no, thank you. Again, no, thank you.
Please and thank you are very important words. They are polite words. Use them often.
Let us practice. Repeat after me. Do you want breakfast? Pause. Yes, please. Pause. Do you want breakfast? Pause. No, thank you. Pause.
At home, we also talk about tea and coffee. A simple question is, do you want tea? Listen, do you want tea? Again, do you want tea?
Or, do you want coffee? Listen, do you want coffee? Again, do you want coffee?
You can answer the same way, yes please or no thank you.
Now, let us practice a small kitchen conversation. Listen first.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I am fine. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. Do you want tea?
Yes, please.
This is very real English. Very simple, calm, friendly.
Now you try. Repeat with us.
Speak slowly.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
Do you want tea?
Yes, please.
Excellent. You are learning fast.
Now, let us talk about common actions at home. Action means something you do.
One common action is cleaning. Clean means to make something neat.
A simple sentence is, I am cleaning. Listen, I am cleaning. Again, I am cleaning.
You can also say, I am cooking. Cooking means making food. Listen, I am cooking. Again, I am cooking.
Another sentence is, I am watching TV. Listen, I am watching TV. Again, I am watching TV.
These sentences talk about what you are doing now, right now.
Let us practice. Repeat after me. I am cleaning. Pause. I am cooking. Pause. I am watching TV. Pause.
At home, people ask, what are you doing? Listen, what are you doing? Again, what are you doing?
The answer is one of these sentences. For example, I am cooking.
Let us practice a small talk.
What are you doing?
I am watching TV.
Very good. Now you try. Repeat. What are you doing?
I am cleaning.
Nice, simple and clear.
Now let's look at common beginner mistakes. This is very important.
Mistake number 1, saying I cleaning. Not this. This is not correct, but this. I am cleaning. Say it again. I am cleaning.
Remember, use I am, not just I.
Mistake number 2, saying, do you want tea, and answering, yes, I want. Not this, but this. Yes, please, or yes, I do.
Simple answers are best.
Mistake number 3, saying, how you are, Not this, but this. How are you? Listen again. How are you?
Small change, big difference.
You are doing great. Do not worry about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes.
Now, let us have a longer conversation, a real home conversation. Listen carefully.
Hi, Paul.
Hi, Emily. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am fine. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. And you?
Yes, I did. Do you want breakfast?
Yes, please. What are you cooking?
I am cooking eggs.
Nice. I am watching TV now.
Okay, breakfast is ready soon.
Thank you.
This is real life English. Simple, calm, friendly.
Now, let us practice together. Repeat each line.
Hi, Paul.
Hi, Emily. Good morning.
Let us continue slowly. You are still with us. That is very good. Listening is learning. Speaking is learning too. Even if you speak one word, it is good.
Now, think about evening time at home. Evening is after work or school. The sun goes down, people feel tired.
In the evening, we often say, I am home. Listen, I am home. Again, I am home.
This means I am here at my house now.
Someone may answer, welcome home. Listen, welcome home. Again, welcome home.
This is a warm sentence. It feels kind.
Let us practice. Repeat after me. I am home. Pause. Welcome home. Pause.
In the evening, people ask, how was your day? Listen, how was your day? Again, how was your day?
This means, was your day good or bad?
The answer can be very simple. It was good. Listen, it was good. Again, it was good.
Or, it was okay. Listen, it was okay. Again, it was okay.
Or, it was hard. Listen, it was hard. Again, it was hard.
Let us practice. How was your day? Pause. It was good. Pause. How was your day? Pause. It was okay. Pause.
Now, a small evening talk.
I am home.
Welcome home. How was your day?
It was okay. I am tired.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Of course.
This is full day English, simple home English.
Now, repeat with us slowly.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I am fine.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
Do you want breakfast?
Yes, please.
I am cooking now.
Okay, thank you.
Later.
I am home.
Welcome home. How was your day?
It was okay. I am tired.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Of course.
Excellent work. Take a deep breath. You did a lot today.
You listened, you repeated, you spoke.
Remember, English grows slowly, like a plant.
Water it every day. Practice every day.
Even 5 minutes is good.
Speak at home. Speak in your room. Speak in your mind.
Do not be afraid.
You can do this.
We believe in you.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.